Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a beautiful pasta salad. Now I know in some parts of the country it is winter, but here it is summer, so it's warming up, and this is a perfect little salad, pasta salad you can take to a barbecue or to the beach. It doesn't have any mayo in it. Of course not, it's vegan, but simple dressing and a ton of veggies and some gluten-free pasta. Comes together super quick, so let's get started. So we're starting with a 12-ounce package of pasta, any kind that you would like. I used rotini, it is gluten-free. And then we are just going to dump in a bunch of veggies. So we've got some red, yellow, and orange bell peppers. We've got some black olives that I've just cut in half. Red onion. No exact measurements on these, just do whatever you would like. Artichoke hearts. Some cherry tomatoes. And some cucumber. Look at that. Oh, all those beautiful colors. Now we're gonna make a simple, quick dressing. This dressing, I did a video on this. It's called my 3-2-1 dressing, but I'm gonna double it. And the recipe is 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of mustard, and a tablespoon of maple syrup. But I am just doubling that. And the balsamic I'm using today is the Rocky Mountain Olive Oil Company. This is the white peach balsamic. Oh my gosh, this is great. I mean, I just put this straight on my salad, nothing else, just directly on my salad. It's so good. But I'm gonna use that as my balsamic, and it should be delicious. So we've got it right here, and you just put it in a jar. So this is 6 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and then we've got our mustard. I used a couple of different kinds because I ran out of my Dijon, so I used a little bit of the stone ground and then some yellow as well. So let's dump that in there. Use a spoon here. Then you're just gonna put the lid on and give it a really good shake. And then we're going to put it directly onto our salad, toss it up, and we'll taste it. And use as much as you would like. No, there's no rules here. So I'm just gonna pour on a good amount and use my little tongs here and get it all tossed together, and then I'll, reevaluate. One thing I did forget to put in the dressing was a pinch of salt, so I will just probably put it on the pasta salad itself. Oh, live TV. Just a couple pinches, and we'll mix it all together. I think I'll put a little bit more on here. I think I'm just gonna use it all. It's so darn good. This dish is so light. It's so perfect for summer, so filling. With all these beautiful colors, you're getting all your, phytonutrients, antioxidants. So delicious. All right, I think we are good. We're gonna plate this up. I'm gonna finish it off with a little bit of cilantro. You can leave that off if you're not a cilantro person. You could put some parsley, but I'm just gonna use a little cilantro. Any fresh herb will do. And then we'll give it a taste. All right, let's plate this up. A little bit of pepper. And check it out. So light and refreshing. I just love all the colors. I love eating colorful food. It's just, does my heart good. So let's try this. Oh my gosh. That dressing is so good. And this is the kind of thing that it'll be even better tomorrow. So I hope you give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. Until next time, thank you.